Today, my Windows search feature was not showing any results. A lot of people have this problem now because Windows had a problem with the Bing integration. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix it. Step 1, hit the Windows key plus R shortcut on your keyboard. Step 2, type RegEdit and hit enter on your keyboard. Step 3, double-click HKEY_current_user. Step 4, double-click software. Step 5, double-click Microsoft. Step 6, double-click Windows. Step 7, double-click CurrentVersion. Step 8, double-click Search. Step 9, on the right side right-click New. And then click D-word 32-bit value. Step 10, type BingSearchEnabled and hit enter on your keyboard. Step 11, double-click the BingSearchEnabled entry you just created. Step 12, type 0 in the value data field. And click OK. Step 13, double-click CortanaConsent. Step 14, type 0 in the data field. Then click OK. Step 15, see if it works. If not, restart your PC. Now it should be working. Please like and drop a comment if this helped you to solve your problem. And look at my YouTube channel if you want to know different strategies on how to make money online. Also, I would appreciate if you would follow me on Instagram at @PassiveHustler. Also, if you want to know the software that I use to make these type of videos in a few clicks. Register for a free trial to Content Samurai by clicking the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.